Hello loves, you're welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about skincare, skin tightening, pores tightening, that is large pores tightening and all that. Okay, so in the past I used to have very large pores, like my face was so rough with pores. I'm not pronouncing it well. I'll leave the spelling on the screen. Not pores but pores, P-O-R-E. Okay, so very large pores, but I was able to tighten it using just simple natural remedies. Okay, so there are, levels to these things. There are secrets to these things that a lot of people will not tell you. And if they don't tell you, you end up spending so much money on products that are harmful to your skin. Meanwhile, right in your home, you have things that can help your skin. Okay, so here I talk about natural remedies. Okay, I have been so privileged to live with elderly people that dealt with natural things, that use natural things both for treating ailment, for skin beauty and all that. So I learned these things, and since then I have fallen so much in love with natural remedies. They are way better than all these harsh chemicals you apply on your skin, which at the long run would have, adverse reaction, will have reaction on you, can lead to cancer and so many other things. So that is why I created this channel, to talk about natural remedies. And if you have been following me, you know that here we discuss natural remedies to skin issues, to health issues and all that. Okay, so if this is your first time of being here, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any update. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. I say very big welcome to you. Yes, I'm welcoming you again, and my baby here and my co-host says welcome. Forget about everything he's doing. This boy, I don't just have to wait until this guy goes to sleep before I do what I want to do. So since he's here with me, I just decided to shoot this video. Let's talk about this. Okay, so there is this misconception that you just have to exfoliate and exfoliate and exfoliate before you can get nice looking skin. But I want to tell you from my own experience, if you are suffering from large pores, if you have very large pores, please do not exfoliate vigorously. Do not exfoliate frequently. Once a week or once even in 2 weeks is very okay. And the kind of product you use matter a lot. So don't use exfoliating products that have crystals, like that let's say you're using sugar, the product that contains sugar to exfoliate. Make sure it is smooth. Okay, make sure the sugar is grinded. Don't use crystals or things that are so rough to exfoliate your skin. You end up opening the pores more and more. So you need to exfoliate gently, very gently, with mild creams or mild exfoliating creams or ingredients. So right here I have things I can show you that can help you exfoliate mildly and even tighten your pores. Things that I've been doing that helped to tighten my pores. So actually I didn't know I would be diving into skincare or making video on this. Hello baby, hello. See, everybody's looking at you. Everybody is looking at you. Now, come and suck again. Come, let's suck. Sorry guys, let me just take care of him. So I didn't know that I'll be making videos like this. I would have taken pictures of what my face used to look like, but I'll leave an example on the screen if I find one. It was so rough, the pores were so much, but I was able to tighten it, and I was able to get this clear skin with just simple home remedy. And the number one ingredient or number one item I have here is baking soda. Guys, you can make your research on baking soda. Baking soda is so good if you're having loose skin, or large pores, baking soda would help you a lot. But one thing you need to know is that you don't use baking soda on its own. You need to use it with something that can, reduce the harshness, because this is so harsh. After using it on your face, you feel the tightness, you will feel the dryness. So you need to use this. Sorry, sweetheart. Sorry. See yourself. So you need to use this with something that would help. Okay. So, and what is this thing you can use your baking soda with? So like I was saying, you need to actually use baking soda with something that would help reduce the harshness. And number one thing you can use baking soda with is honey. Honey is so good for your skin, okay? Honey is something that when you're using it on your skin, it will help get rid of um pimples, rashes on your skin. It will help get rid of acne, and it will help exfoliate your skin, and because it has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, okay? So this would help cleanse your skin. It will help um like hydrate your skin as well. So what you will do, you will just take some baking soda, mix it with honey, and gently apply on your skin. You don't exfoliate vigorously, like don't scrub, don't rub, just carefully massage your face with it, okay? Gently massage your face, and don't make it so dry. Like when you mix your baking soda with honey, allow it to be a bit running. That is to say, the honey should be more than the baking soda, so it should be a bit running. Then you gently apply on your face, then leave it to stay for like 20 to 30 minutes, then you wash it off. Try this and come back to thank me, okay? This is something I've been doing and it has worked so well for me. And I've also shared some videos on me doing this on this channel, okay? So you can check them out. Then another thing you can add to this mixture of baking soda and honey is glycerin. Okay, so if you have been following me, you know I don't joke with glycerin, because glycerin is one thing that would help soften your skin, so that whatever you're applying would penetrate into your skin, okay? So you add glycerin, just some drops of glycerin will do. So you add glycerin to this and you use it to massage your face. So one other good thing I have here, guys, is aloe vera. Don't joke with your aloe vera. So you can use either the store-bought aloe vera gel, or you use the natural one, that is the plant aloe vera. You get the gel from the plant, okay? You mix with all this and you massage your face with this. So this will go a long way to help you guys. So just try this that I have explained to you here. Baking soda would help tighten your pores and give you that firm skin. So it has that properties to, draw out oil and tighten your skin, okay? But the reason I said you should add honey and all these like glycerin and is to help hydrate, so that the baking soda would not completely dry up your skin, okay? So that it will balance your skin layers and your skin barrier, okay? Yes, that is why mixing it with honey is so excellent. Don't mix baking soda with any other harsh product. Don't mix baking soda with any other harsh creams, okay? Just use baking soda and honey and some drops of glycerin and you are good to go. So by the time you wash off your face after 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how long you want to take it, 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes, okay? So you can take it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even 1 hour if you like, okay? But do not overstay with it, because like I said, baking soda can dry up your skin. So after you have waited for up to 30 minutes, you wash your face, and after washing, you can first of all apply your aloe vera gel. So by the time you apply your aloe vera gel, you go ahead to apply other moisturizers that you have, or other lotion and oils or cream that you have. So talking about oil, if you have oily skin, please avoid oil on your face. Even if you want to use oil on your face, just use a little amount. Okay, because if you have oily skin, applying too much oil on your skin can lead to breakout. Okay, so I'm talking from experience. So because I have oily skin, I try as much as possible to avoid oil on my skin. Though there are times I apply oil, but in little quantity. Yes, in little quantity. So most times what I use to replace oil for my face is glycerin. Okay, so if I want to hydrate my face, yeah, my face is oily but the other part of my body is dry. So for the dry part of my body, I can apply oil. So, and I love applying baby oil. Okay, so any good baby oil is good to go. Then for my face, I use glycerin, I use aloe vera because these are water based. Okay, so I use aloe vera gel on my face, I use glycerin on my face. Then I avoid oil as much as possible. But if I want to use oil on my face, the good oil I use is castor oil. Yes, castor oil. That helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and all that. So castor oil is very, very good. But do not use it in large quantity. So I just use some drops, then massage my face with it. Okay. So guys, I hope I've been able to give you some tips on skincare when it comes to large pores and tightening your facial skin. Okay, this is the number one for tightening facial skin: baking soda. I recommend this any day. And if you have dry skin, because I know some people might ask, what if you have very dry skin? If you have very dry skin, yes, you can still use baking soda to exfoliate and get rid of dead cells. Okay, that dry cells on your skin, that dead cells, you can use um baking soda to exfoliate. Okay, so you just rub, don't forget mix with honey. And for people with dry skin, you can make it a bit thick. Okay, but someone with oily skin and large pores, it should be a bit runny so that you can just massage without vigorously scrubbing. But if you have very dry skin and your skin is such that it peels or you see the dry skin cells coming out, you can mix your baking soda and your honey, make it a bit thick so that you can scrub out the dead cells. Okay, you can just use it to scrub out the dead cells, and after doing that, you wash your face and you apply your moisturizer. Then for you that have dry skin, you are going to also apply oil. So if your skin is such that it's so dry, you don't have oil on your skin at all, then you should apply oil. And don't forget to use glycerin. Glycerin will soften your skin because most people with dry skin have tough skin. Yes, you need that elasticity. Okay, so if your skin is so tough and dry, you should also incorporate glycerin in your skincare routine. Okay, so you use glycerin to massage your skin, to massage your face, so that your face can be soft, to allow your skincare product to penetrate. Okay, it's very, very necessary. So after massaging with your glycerin, you can use your glycerin as your toner. Use it to massage your face properly. Then you apply your lotion, your moisturizer, and your oil. So you apply them in layers. You just apply your lotion, then you lock it up with your oil. Okay, so guys, I hope this is so helpful. Please give the video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, what are you waiting for? On this channel, I share natural remedies to skin issues and health issues. Okay, so here we use natural things that God has blessed us with to take good care of ourselves, both internally and externally. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any video that I will be uploading. I would love to see you in my next video, and please don't forget, give the video a like. Okay, see you in my next video. God bless you.